OCO Biomedical's patented implant body allows patients to receive treatment quicker than most implant companies out there, so that patients can come into the office, have their implants placed, and their restorations done in much less time than our competitors because of our patented body. We are now placing implants in areas of the mouth that we were not able to place before because of the different types of implants. There are short, wide implants. There are smaller diameter implants. Implants actually are less invasive than having a tooth extracted. So when you have a tooth extracted, you have a socket that needs to heal up. With implants, you can place an implant into that site and the patients leave with very little pain. A lot of patients will not have to take any type of a pain medication afterwards. Advil is something that's good for them, or just a couple aspirins.